Supposed to be in phase 2 today. Phase 1 is over. Phase 2 storm up here on the North Slope. Phase 2 is again traveling alone on the roads, kind of going to convoy. And that's where we're at right now. Going over 30 miles an hour. And I'll show you. It's really cold. Their hands will freeze up a bit. Wind chill factor. Snow. Come around this neighborhood. Slow store. On the quick drift, roads get drifted over, snow. The other side of the cab, there's KIC, another cab, and the vehicles, you got to keep them running 24 hours a day, otherwise they won't start. Got vehicles up here, bus for the workers. Here's my old camp over there, the camp that I work at, but apparently can't work there right now. And we're going back inside because I'm freezing. North Slope oil fields.